Akwaba. Edini modu. J.B Danquah. Bibi abokode. You looking smart. Now me no na ne man ebobo posters war. From Akoma House Stadium mu nyina. Just what yes ya Parliamentary constituency. O jide ukrim. Just I say na ye birthday na what fa wo papa. And everywhere.
Oh, did me birthday na mama.
Just say
J.B for
ampo. Senior, would you din? E wo Kumasi abonten so. Oh, that be where they were, bro.
Ubia uboku Asante wo Kumasi Ghana ha ubia ni.
No, but
ubia number.
Why is the question you take?
87.9 Kumasi. Everywhere.
No, but I was like, I did see J.B Danquah. Or say ya throw the development and critical day. But your there what's the day?
It's developing the people in the community. And I keep on saying people development is community development.
Okay, developing the people
and
community. So what is it? Agenda Ben will set it up. Because I didn't see any party of anything.
My main chair was here
for you. So
my main chair Subin for.
Yeah.
Can J.B Danquah fan club. You made J.B there.
Okay. Yes.
Ubisa me say developing people and community. The motto actually is people development is community development.
Okay.
So say enipa puntuo and a oman puntuo. So enipa tumpon a oman tumpon. And no na ade bia me ye bia no na ne fapem.
Okay.
Ade bia J.B Danquah so we bia enipa na de ade nyina. Edi nipa na chichiri kuro, edi nipa na chichiri adwuma, edi nipa na chichiri busua. Enipa na de ade nyina.
Okay.
Enti oman bia pese tumpon bia no. Also making sure say emu nipa ankrankre ebusuaku enyumaku etumpon ene di mpuntu ebeba oman mu eno na ye me fapin efiri emra me de to makoma so say mesum Subin pese Subin na mama ye sedimti efiri be 2015
yeah
you medie bia che say me nipa ho adwe me do nipa enti me tu nipa ho anamo eno na ma bono tofa ene say enipa mpuntu na ye oman mpuntu ene hu dwumadie na yedie ye de bebo Subin ma na ma Subin atumpon na ma Asante ma atumpon na Ghana atumpon ene ne hian
momo bi afra bruchira ba betna kroma. I mean way back 2014 me di hu was it 15 or 2014 14. Yes and me di hu wa na that time na ice ne wo hu say I stayed in the bruchira and you had a good heart and a good cause so but appear say what the Taria was Subia, your political party, you still look at Nipam Puntu development, Subin. How has it been at the constituency? Will it impact in terms of party activities?
I'm looking at my impact. Me since so minyano.
Okay.
Nipa so, nya party so.
Okay.
Subin so, nya party so. Me hu ne say adie bia pesa wo ya also nya ho abotre we say eche answer nipa start afei na mehu Subin for etemase.
Oh okay.
Yes o mahu say me wa koma pampa enye se na midimnika bi bepe MP di keke na mmom wo nipa bi wo me mu ampese me de bo Subin enti nipa na asase etemase say metima akan sisidia say mo nipa di mechi Subin a enya political party movement bia nipa a omo do me keke bibia me ye bia omo no me ye J.B Danquah fan club branches no about 14
Subin
electoral area bia bi ho ba bi okra mienu wo ho a omo nyina ehyiam ekon ho bom dwumadie bia pese bia omo no kam ho bom ema ebaso so be kai a ye clean up the whole Subin constituency Subin sani pani di mechi me say dwumadie ni nyina ele share Subin anyimonyam enti afei na enipa atemase hu se Subin betumpon agi so obi yi ne ho si o tu ne ho si o e de bo afode no amma se obedidi amma se obepe bibia hye ne botum amma se obelord over the people obeye ne ho nana kanka bi na mum obie ne ho amanipa etunifo amanipa ka asem kyene wotie no owotema wodo amanipa ono ne betima yesa adwuma no no mahu se J.B Danquah na wosa ne no wosa Suban no ti se mahu se nipa temase ti bia mefa bia enem nem kromkran kwada ekura timi bom din It's because JB near Subin no omo who say Subin puntu and aduane amedie Subin koso and medadwene eno nti de mi ye bia no say nipa som eboa me ama eyeye na me say ebeyeye
Obako BM 2024 will you stand as a member of parliament with me?
Yes, adia
on the ticket of MPP.
Mejina Subin Amiatum Swaba. A coin biaso, say your party ticket so, send your party ticket so, Mejina. Some men and I did declare no Yandru, but the Empesa may say should be from crying, say, Omunya would that's say a fee, and as after that, J.B Danquah or ballot
with or without party. With or without party.
Whatever the case.
No, but say you go for primaries. It's a primaries, and if you don't win, I mean, you won't even call representative party.
Me say, Kofi. Adia me ye BCC free say e sha say 2023 2022 fitiase no a me tu anamo ye nyuma be brede boa Subin. Me nya no party be ticket so.
Okay.
The ma kan say me boa me man me ntwa party. Or party be o Ghana be to Ghana. Na me hu so say party bebre omudwumadie no it is just about the party.
Oh,
but me dwumadie
including MPP
party ni nyina me dwumadie
party say what Ghana and is just about their
omo kasa ya ti party for my kasa.
No, but J.B Danquah, you are a member of the MPP, not just a member, a strong member.
Yes,
a parliamentary aspirant.
I'm telling you, I don't worship a party. I serve my nation. And remember, idea ye Ghana here some no. I may hear some first as an party.
Yes, ya boani takra and a man ye kesiye. But takra boni di efenye mkwatre kwa. You are on the shoulders.
Abuano takra no.
Use the microphone.
Sana ya chichemu. Aka say ye MPP, NDC, ye PPP, or CPP. Na say ye chichemu wie. Na masa chichemu no hia ye se omana. Ni ya yera kwan. Me ni anifrafo achi. Se me hu se me di mochi, na me hu se mu ni fra. Me ni mochi biom. Sana pese obi ati ase.
I want to do mochi money fra.
Me di Ghana achi. Ghana ni fra.
No, but you are following MPP.
Yes, I'm a registered member.
A registered member of MPP.
But I'm telling you, sir, if
for 2 terms, last time now your boy Gumbe.
I've been a chairman of the party in diaspora. No correct. But I'm telling you, sir, you hear me in Ghana first. Nya MPP, nya NDC, nya Ghana first. Eti yes, me MPP ni, but MPP ya there. Na me say mfa kwem mo Ghana me ni akiri.
I didn't MPP I would you say in Fakwem since the bar power.
Me MPP tinamba me ba Subin tinamba.
No, but Subin is there and you are there because people have got to know you because MPP.
No, you enter for whom in MPP.
Sir. Of course, what baby deny?
MPP can home. MPP Mana mo tu Subin.
I was Subin.
And I'm many per whom.
As a way you party ama.
Minji party be my me say the minima e Ghana.
Okay.
Say MPP ni mo mu ye bia e Ghana dia me di akire 100%. But so mu ye bibi. And I say ade bi o se ye na Ghana tumpon na say MPP ya metie sinche na ma ye. Me wie na MPP bibi na o se ko kan ho ni aye. I am working for Ghana, not any party, not anybody. I don't serve or worship any human being. I serve my nation, Ghana, and God.
But this is a constituency. Without MPP, who co independent, you can't win.
One can't say
that the fact is
that Subin for MPP and Tomu Chiomoka. NDC Tomu Chiomoka. People of Subin are not slaves to any political party. People of Subin are Ghana for. The ebeye ya momo de beko ya momo de ebebo omo eno be di akire saa adwene na yenya no political parties for yenya efritete ena ma trimude ase ye MPC ni ye political leaders ni bibebere mu adwene de oseso omo ye omo nye because Subin de wo de akokokora bi na de MPP duku bona e betoma no me nwene saa me dwene se Subin for enipa oba begina na sem de nam Suban ni ye ne bibia wo yibia no eno mo hwe ho ansa ne kwese okay no gina party ben so ato abama no se ye de sabi edwa be gina ho na ye MPP du ku bono na Subin for to ma na se je didi Subin for atem se bi omu ye nwan papa cho mfa nche me asɛm kantia na meka no saa enti Subinfoɔ sɛbi ɔmo nyɛ nwan sɛbi ɔmo nyɛ nkwasiafoɔ sɛbi ɔmo nyɛ adwumifoɔ ɔmo yɛ nipa a ɔmo dwene ɔmo wɔ ɔmo so interest their personal and collective interest enti sɛ yɛde wobɛgyina sɛ ɔyɛ NPP ni sɛ ɔyɛ NDC ni na wo ka sɛm papa bi ankyerɛ ɔmo wonyi suban anaasɛ neyɛ papa bi ankyerɛ ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ wowɔ adwene bi wɔ Subin ho wowɔ ahofama bi ma Subin wowɔ abadae bi ma Subin wowɔ nisɔde bi ma Subin na asɛ megyina NPP ticket so ɛntoma me ɛma so ɛnyɛ adwuma.
Is that what you are thinking?
That's what I'm thinking and that's what people of Subin are thinking and that's what Ghanaians are thinking now. I'm telling you say baby Ghana aduru no political party bi a ugina hɔ a utimi ɔdɛ sɛ me NDC eduru me so me NPP eduru me so ti yɛbɛtɔ ba ma mena you are joking ununu ho na wankasa wo sere Ghana fo ni ate ehu sɛ the political class afa Ghana fo numu